First, I'm going to show, we cut a section of plexiglass that is the correct size for every panel frame top. And when you get it, it has this protective coating on both sides. So I'm going to show you how to peel it off. This is probably the hardest part of the whole thing. So you want to find a corner where you can kind of get it started. So get that started peeling up. And then you want to slowly just work it across with your hands. And see how it kind of tears a little bit? Well, just keep it going. And keep going gently, gently until you can get this thing started all the way across. Now you can kind of see I can start pulling this as a whole, and I'm pushing against my legs down here, and I'm pulling. And then as I get a ways down, I'm gonna roll this up, and I'm gonna pull again. And I'm gonna try and do this nice and smooth. If it starts to break as it goes, just peel up the broken section until it's all one again, and then keep going. And you can see this thing slowly going. Okay, now we're getting to the end. So now I can just peel this whole thing in. Okay, now I already did one side, so this only shows one. So next, we're gonna actually put it on the panel frames. Hey guys, Barry Carson, president of Xybix here, and today we're going to talk about our new PlexiGuard screens to help separate operators while we have this COVID-19 virus going around. Just to provide some separation so that if people are coughing or sneezing, it'll hopefully block droplets from getting to the other operators and keep everybody healthier. So here we go. So this is easy to do, tool-free. You take your Xybix panel frames and you pop the top caps off. Sometimes they're a little hard, but just give them a tug and they'll come off. And now you can see here, this is kind of a U-shaped channel. So we've got a bracket, we call these the cathedral brackets, and these have these little slots on both sides that fit on the U channel. So when I'm gonna slip this on, I just slip it down like that and gently push it down until it hits the bottom. So there's one of them. I'm gonna put another one over here. And these work best about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches in from the end. Right at the very end, you can't put them there because there's 2 layers of metal there and the slots won't fit over that. So you have to slide it down a little ways. So I'm gonna put these on this panel frame. There we go. And then I take my plexiglass and I just slip it down in the slots. Straight down, make sure these things are vertical, and then I'll slip my next one in. Slide that down, and then I've got, see how sometimes these may not be vertically aligned up here? So I've got this little H-shaped clear plexiglass adapter, and I'm gonna slide that over the edge of these 2 pieces of plexi and slide that down in between like that, and now we are complete. So now we've got our plexiglass divider, so we are dividing apart the operators. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to show you how to clean these.